Otra noche más que no ha contestado. No quiero desconfiar, pero ni siquiera me ha llamado. Solo pura mentira. Jura que a otra no ha tocado, que soy la que delira.
You give me the peanut butter to my jelly. You give me the butterflies I feel in my belly. You give me the captain and I can be your first mate. You give me the chills that I feel on our first date. You give me the hero and I can be your sidekick. You give me the tear that I cry if we ever split. You give me the rain from the cloud when it's storming. Or you give me the sun when it shines in the morning. Don't know if I could ever be without you, 'cause boy you complete me. And in time I know that we'll both see that we're all we need. 'Cause you're the apple to my pie, you're the straw to my berry, you're the smoke to my high, and you're the one I wanna marry. 'Cause you're the one for me, and I'm the one for you.
You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. It'd be like heaven to touch. I wanna hold you so much. Long last love has arrived. I thank God that I'm alive. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. Pardon the way that I stare. There's nothing else to compare. The thought of you leaves me weak. There are no words left to speak. But if you feel how I feel, please let me know that it's real. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. I love you, baby, and if it's quite alright, I need you, baby, to warm these lonely nights. I love you, baby. Trust in me when I say, oh pretty baby, don't let me down, I pray. Oh pretty baby, now that I have you, stay and let me love you, baby. Let me love you. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. It'd be like heaven to touch. I wanna hold you so much. Long as love has arrived, I thank God that I'm alive. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. I love you, baby, and if it's quite alright, I need you, baby, to warm these lonely nights. I love you, baby. Trust in me when I say, oh pretty baby, don't let me down, I pray. Oh pretty baby, now that I have you, stay and let me love you, baby. Let me love you.
Her knees, feet, and elbow work the thing into a mum.